Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
A fún wọn ní ọjọ́ méje láti kí wọ́n fi rìlíìsì gbogbo wọn. Ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kẹta wọ́n pa èèyàn àdògán àti àáfàá kan. À ń béèrè ìdájọ́ òdodo láti lè jẹ́ wípé ẹni tó pa àdògán àti àáfàá kí wọ́n mú ojú wọn kí wọ́n fi wọn parí ẹjọ́ kí ìdájọ́ òdodo ó sì kí ìdájọ́ òdodo ó wáyé lórí ẹ̀ láàrin ọjọ́ méje. Ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kẹrin property Chief Sunday Igboho tí wọ́n bàjẹ́ lọ́nà àìtọ́ à ń demand for compensation.
If they can do this kind of a thing to Sunday Igboho, why the Fulani people, why the Gomi, why all this Boko Haram something, why the bandits? So there's sentiment in Nigeria something. This impunity is too much. The impunity is much. So we want our people to be freed. We want Lady K and others to be freed. We don't want them in any prison.
The reason why I'm here is to tell the federation, the nation, that we need our people, we need our agitator back alive, because they are not terrorists, they are not X-Men, they are not bandits. So the main reason why they are arrested, we want them live now, because this is the part, they are just depriving everybody the right of they are depriving us of our rights. So we don't want Nigeria any longer, we want total separation.